Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Are the temperature levels stabilizing on the main console?
Yes, viscosity is dropping as expected.
First stems. First, the beans are ground into a thick, dark cocoa liquor. Then, massive automated mixers slowly
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.